Yan guys, magja-jogging na naman ako. Ayan, wala pa yung kasama ko, alas 8 daw bababa, uwi na ako nun kasi maaga dumating ang amo ko. Yan ang dito po ang joggingan along the river. Yan ang river. Yan. So, pag ganitong oras, saka kanina pa, maraming nagja-jogging, naglalakad. Diyan ang kabila niya, oh, ayun. Diyan ang kabilaan, ikot. Hanggang dulong-dulo yan, malawak ito, ay mahaba. Kuha lang ako ng clips kasi wala na akong may upload. So, diyan nakatira yung kaibigan ko. Diyan sa taas na mataas yan na building. Yung kasama ko kagabi. Alas 8 naman siya matatapos kaya yung yung nagbike na hi sweetie sabi niya. So ayaw kong ipakita ang mukha ko. Gusto ko muna kuhanan yung dinadaanan ko. Ayan. Diyan. Gabi na kasi. Yan, maganda naman ang ilaw-ilaw. Punta ako dun sa machine. Ayan ang ilog. Pinawisan na ako guys. Kuha lang ako ng clips pang dagdag ko yung pang dagdag ko doon sa binidyohan ko sa loob ng bahay na yan. Diyan guys, kaganda ang ganito kaganda pag gabi. Yan ang mga halaman. Pawis na ako. Ayan. Hi, Uncle. Long time no see. Uncle, where you go? You walking?
Yeah.
Why so long never see you? Huh? So long I never see you. Do you remember me?
Yes, I still remember you. I don't remember
This is my friend. Uncle, I always see in the... Oh, nighttime I come. Morning I never come.
That's why I never see you in the morning, afternoon.
No, I don't want to. I didn't go ready morning because...
Your mommy how? Your mother?
She's still alive. Ayan na guys. Ha?
You have to work.
Yeah. Because changed a lot already. The whole night never sleep. So, me also.
What is the age?
94.
94. My mother just passed away, 95.
95
Actually, 95 years. No, we never addition. 95, my mother. Just,
she just...
Me.
May also, May the birthday, my grandma, May 19.
May 19. My mother passed away May 20.
Oh, but she haven't passed away, Popo.
My mother, 95, actually, the day of 95.
Did you see Edith in the morning Edith, my friend there?
No,
He coming? No, he never
no,
come.
no, no, never see.
Oh, you never see. But
Oh,
always more. Every
oh,
morning you go, uncle.
no, never see.
See,
Nowadays never.
very nice the light.
Where?
I'm taking video because I'm in YouTube.
YouTube. So,
I have a channel in YouTube.
yeah. Hey, this one you put in
YouTube.
TikTok. You put TikTok, you got money. YouTube.
Yeah, I
TikTok.
have money in the YouTube already.
How much? How much
I-
they pay you?
It depends the viewers and no skip ads. Yeah. This month I got my salary already, and then maybe next month I don't have because we have the
You buy what phone is it? Oppo.
yeah.
Oppo.
This cell phone niya Oppo. This cell phone is
How
somebody.
you put open your video? The camera.
Oh, is there already lah? This one new one. Somebody sponsor me, my friend in YouTube.
YouTube. Oh.
Yeah. So long I never see you.
Every day, every night I walk here. Every night.
Night, but boy, I never see you. Every
Sometimes
night.
I walk outside here, inside.
Every night also I came.
Said,
But I go around there and then I go
No, I cannot see.
I go the hour cycling there.
Here and at the main road.
You say hi.
Ah,
You say hi, uncle. Yeah.
why?
He doesn't want. This is the uncle I always together jogging
Jogging.
in the early morning. Then I saw here. That's why we chit chat.
It's a nice view, here.
But supposed to be, I have one friend there. But she say 8 o'clock then come down. Maybe by the time I will go home already because
This one at night one, no?
yeah.
But this one, morning view is very nice.
No, nice also night. Nice also the view
Nice,
if like
you
that.
go there at night, you must walk, go to Clarke Quay. Alamak, you got a wrong view already.
Huh?
You walk, go to the Clarke Quay, they more nice.
I go already there.
Then you go to Senna.
My mom not around in Australia.
Your mom go holiday there, you can go.
Yeah, I go there. But I never go to all the restaurant there.
You must go to the restaurant.
I shy.
Why not such a shy?
Because there is a lot eating, right? And then of course I walking like this, like running. Then I'm sweating. I go there. I just go along the river only.
I like the one that there is a nice view also.
Yeah, lah, if you come and accompany me, then I can go.
You
But
tell me when after I come in, you go lah.
Huh?
You tell me when the day, then I will go to.
how I know if my mom not around?
Ah.
But you don't have a telephone number to me.
No, every night I be here.
But why how many nights I came already? I never see you.
Well, this road I said I walk on the main road after at night 7:30 I be 8 o'clock I be here already. This road back already.
Mm.
Ah.
Last night with my friend, we come back 9:30.
Ah.
We two of us only there left.
You go the other side?
Huh?
You go the other
No,
side?
no, we never go there. We just go straight around there and then we take photo.
One day I
Because
bring you,
she take TikTok also.
one
And
day
then,
I bring you go to 47 story.
which way? Which
47
part?
story. 47 story. The other day I bring Dora and Anna. I bring them to 47 story.
You know, Dora I never talked to her so long ago.
I know. You told me that you quarrel.
Yeah, I quarrel with her, right? Because she go and tell nonsense thing.
Talk like you stupid like you. I think you are better teach people think you interfere lah.
Huh?
I told her, not to interfere people matter.
Yeah.
How you going to interfere?
She very busy body one.
Yeah.
Then, no.
Auto here, every day got auto at night. Every night got a lot of auto here.
Why?
Auto, you know auto?
I don't know.
Auto is you eat the fish one. Every night have.
Because I told you before, right?
Yeah.
That she go and tell nonsense, like, not correct story. That's why I'm very angry to her.
I know. He also tell me. He tell Anja, he say I like this, I like that. He asked me to get like that. I said I don't want.
That's why when I see in the road, I don't want to see her face one. I so angry to her.
You angry, you never, you happy.
Why?
Luckily, I never touch her. If I touch her, I got more trouble. I tell you the truth. You know, he went to Botanic Garden with his friend.
Uncle, when you're walking, you take video for me and then you pass to me.
Yes, I know. The video don't know how I take. I cannot do
You
for
don't
you.
know? You don't know how to take video?
No, I don't take video.
Uncle!
I don't take video. I tell you truth.
Last night we go there with my friend. Then we go to
Why don't
the...
take the video? You see, here what will give you very nice. Middle one. This is a view.
This one, the building.
Yeah, middle one. The one is very nice.
Wait lang, I want to make the TikTok one, but I see first like that. See, very nice the view, right?
Yeah, no?
I want to put in the...
This one. This one.
Yeah.
This one is very nice. You see?
Wait, I want to make it stand up. To make the...
This staircase, a lot of view.
You can see. You can see that. You
Okay.
can see?
Okay.
Yan.
I see.
This is my uncle. Alam mo, you hold my tummy very big. not small already, uncle, very big. You go and center and I take photo to you.
Yeah, also very nice.
Huh? But it's dark.
No, morning, afternoon.
Yeah, you go and walk. Come, let's go to the one. This is my uncle na very good.
This one morning view.
This uncle is always together with the with the jogging one. But so long I never see you really. I really miss you. And all our classmates, the jogging one, I never see already. Yan, we go to the jogging already. Wala, nakipag-chismisan na ang uncle. Yan ang uncle. Ayan, no, nagsalita na sila ng salita nilang hindi wala na ako naintindihan. Yan si uncle, matagal ko yan na friend dito na nag-exercise, sabi. At sa wakas nagkita kami kasi umaga at saka gabi pala na naglalakad. At ngayon lang kami nagkatagpo. Napakabait niya ito. Lahat kami ng mga Pilipina naging friend niya na nagja-jogging dito. Malayo rin ang pinanggalingan niya kagaya sa pinanggalingan ko. Bola! Uncle, they don't know how to speak English. Yan. Sembawang. Nag-ano na ako, nag-exercise ako. Kinukuhanan ko sila para meron akong yan guys. Tabi ng ano ng kondo ito. Gabi na. Gabi na guys. Yan na. Uwi na ako. Mga nagja-jogging. Yan. Uwi na ako, pabalik na ako. Iniwan ko na si uncle doon, nakikipag-chitchatan sa mga kapwa niyang Chinese. Ayan. Hindi ko na naantay yung kaibigan ko dyan. Diyan nakatira yung kaibigan ko. Kasi sinabi ko na hindi ako pwede magtagal pag nandyan ang amo ko. Sinabi niya na wag daw ako magtatagal. Tumakbo ako kaya napagod ako. Anyway, naka 1 hour na naman ako. 1 hour may get. Kasi 8 something na, 7 kanina nung bumaba ko. Madilim na guys. Ay. Dito na ako sa may cycling. Shout out! Dito muna ako sa cycling, tapos doon sa running mamaya. Ito kasi ito, ay wait nga lang, tanggalin ko yung bag ko. Ayan, meron pala hawakan para makagalaw ako ng pawis na ako. Ayan, oh, makita nyo. Oh, diba? Yan. Nagsacycling ako, guys. Basa na ako. Pawis ko. Dalawa lang yung nadatnan ko kasi yung dating dalawang babae na wala pa yung iba. Shout out! Shout out sisters! And si Stella, Ate Stella. Shout out na, love you, miss you. Ayan, nagpapapayat na si mama. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out sa nagsasabi na mataba ako. Ito, pinaghihirapan ko magpapayat. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung ko. Face towel ko. Bumababa na naman yung salamin ko pag napapawisan yung mukha ko. And guys, two minutes 31. Pagod. Wala, hindi ko nadala yung face towel ko. Tagaktak na pawis ko. Shout out! Hindi kasi ako magising ng umaga kasi umaga na ako pag natutulog ako. So, hirap. Dati umaga ako pumupunta 5:30 to 7. Maganda rin naman ang gabi. Dami rin nag-exercise pag gabi. Ayan, naka 4 minutes ako dito. Punta ako sa kabila, guys. Ayan. Hello, going to market, guys. Ayan, magalaw ang kamay. Tanghali na. 9 something na naman ako nag-market kasi wala. Late na binigay ng amo ko yung pamalengke ko. Ang late niyang gumising, guys. At nawiling naman ako dun sa nawiling ako doon sa kantahan sa live ni Tito Jun sa kaninanay Mupan. Yan. Dito na ako sa labas. Yan, magmamarket lang po ako. Meron akong idadagdag doon sa ko sa i-edit ko mamaya na sa pagja-jogging ko ba. Dadagdagan ko ng clips dito sa paglalakad ko going to market. Yan, guys. Tanghali ng init. Makakabalik ako nito mga past 10 na. Yan. Yan, guys. Yan, nandito na ako sa highway. Bye. Dito lang muna. Tatawid ako ng ng green light. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayun ay. Nandito ako sa sa may salas na yung nabanggit ko nag-dry ako ng bumili ng amo ko ng dried chili. Tapos hinugasan ko kasi maalikabok ito. Ito yung ginagawa namin every year. Bumibili siya sa Little India ng mga dried na pang ingredients sa ginagawang curry powder. Ayan, guys. So ngayon 3 araw ko na ibinilag dito sa may space dito sa naaarawan dyan sa labas. So ngayon dry na siya. Ikikip ko na siya, guys, kasi ayan, nakuha ko na yung iba. Ipapagrind na siguro ng amo ko ito sa Sabado kasi dadalhin niya sa Australia. Ayan. Yung coriander seed, tapos na andun na, nakalimutan ko na i-videohan. Na dried ko na yun, yung coriander seed ba? Mix nito, tapos may mga iba pang yung sangkap na ihalo na i-grind. So, ang sarap-sarap ay ang bango-bango yung pinapagawa ni ma'am na curry powder pag nagbe-vegetable curry kami. So, ayan, guys. Anin ko na kasi maalikabukan kasi mahangin at dry na rin naman siya. So, let's go. Lagay ko na siya at magbabacuum kasi ako, maglilinis ako, kaya yan. At darating na mamayang gabi ang amo ko galing ng Malaysia. Pumunta nung Friday afternoon sa Malaysia. So, ayan. Mag-vacuum ako at mag-map. Ang hang. Ah! Ang anghang yung amoy niya, guys. Making curry powder. Bumili siya sa Little India. Drinay ko siya. Winas ko tapos drinay ko ulit. Lang guys. Pinaggagawa ko. See, so many dried chili. Dried chili. Maanghang na yung kamay ko nito. So, you know, all this one making curry powder. Curry powder. Aray ko. Ayan. Yan. Chili. Chili. Bili na kayo ng chili. It's dry already. So, I can keep now and maybe Saturday, ma'am, no office. And we will go to Little India again to make it grind, to be powder. To be curry powder. And kunin ko yung ano, yung coriander seed. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Aray ko. Eto guys. Ito po yung coriander seed. Ayan oh, yan. Yan ganyan oh. Ayan yung coriander seed. Ayan oh. Hindi nyo kita. Yung maliliit na ano, maliliit na seeds. Ang bango guys. Yan oh. Ganyan oh. Yan ang coriander seeds. Isa masyado kita. Yan. Ganyan siya. Yan yung coriander seeds. Naglaro na tapos. Ito po yung ano. Ay! Nagano na nagsilipa. Ito po yung ihahalos na ipapagrind. Yan. Ito yung sangkap na ano to. Hindi ko alam kasi Indian ang pangalan. Tandapani. Tandapani. Ayan. Yung ihahalo. Tapos, ito rin ihahalo yan. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan. Basta ihahalo to na ipagrind. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan yan. Tapos, yan. Ibang type rin. Tapos, eto, yun yung kulay. Hindi ko alam kung yung turmeric yata to na dried. Yan. Ito yung mga sangkap na ihahalo nila sa ipapagrind dito sa coriander seed. Tapos, chili dried. Ayan. Ito yung mga sangkap na gagawin na, hoy, wag kang magulo dyan na newspaper. Gagawin na curry powder. Yan, nag-introduce ako. Masarap niyan. Every year na nagpapagawa ni mama, nagpapagrind. Tapos, yun. Pag umuwi siya sa umuwi siya sa Australia, dinadala niya, pinapak niya sa Ziploc at levelan kasi hindi pwede na hindi may lagay yung mga sangkap na i-travel sa Australia. So, pag nag-grind na, ilagay sa Ziploc, kinikilo, tapos pupunta sa shop na naglalagay ng label kung ano yung mga ingredients sa nag-grind. Ganon. Ganon. At ayun, nagulo na yung aking newspaper, kaya bye-bye na guys. Na ipinakita ko lang yung mga pinaggagawa ko dito, kaya yan. Ko tayo ng konting clips. Magulo na yung newspaper ko. Bye! Try ko.